Good morning. Today I am going to discuss the physics part of the prelims exam, which was held on last Sunday, that is on 26th December. So the physics part questions will be from question number 66 to 87. So let us discuss one by one. Okay. Question number 66, let us see. Consider the following statements. Okay, we have to check these statements one by one. First statement is light year is the unit of time. Okay, light year is the unit of time. Luminous intensity is a derived unit. Standard kilogram is defined as the mass of particular solid cylinder of polonium iridium alloy. See statement ahum se. First statement see light year is the unit of distance neighbor. Unit of distance neighbor. Time na tiba ko. Aduna one to lale. Luminous intensity is a derived unit. Ko osagi class so high gaduni fundamental unit or quantity. Aduga derived unit or derived quantity. Aduna luminous intensity is fundamental unit neighbor. Derived unit na tiba ko. Adugi number 3 do. See fundamental unit oigadaba. Standard kilogram is defined as the mass of particular solid cylinder of polonium iridium do. It should be platinum iridium oigadaba. Platinum iridium alloy oigadaba. Aduna 3 do su laleba. Sina correct neba. Aduna answer do kya tare? Which of the above statement given above is or are correct neba? Adu tadi magi answer say D tare. None of the above. Very cool. Question number 67. Let us come to question number 67. Use of ball bearing between two moving parts of a machine reduces friction and energy loss. According to energy loss, comment to lakuna I explanation say kapigeba. According to motion the energy manga share mainly due to friction ne. Ka. Other if friction is decreased, friction mang if say technically friction is handalagadi energy loss to handagani ba. Aduna friction si pick by abasi kuina kaidi yang ke hamtam da rolling friction de yang eba. Generally rolling friction is very low. Aduna rolling friction si di yamna pick by friction ina kaito energy loss yamna lay ro. Say ko aduni aduna friction handare amina energy so handare ko. Aduna number first statement to correct ni ko. First statement to correct ni. Second statement, ball bearing reduces vibrations and provide more stability. And the port ani ungak pamatamda suppose ball bearing ni ko siya. So bearing balls may am the sinner ka dunibo. Sigi pot siga sigi rough ko iko sigi se. Sigi metal plate ani se rough ko webo. Si pot ani se takna webo kay na thamnari si sigi ball siga kay to ba. Point of contact si yam driba. Aduna kay tore friction je less oil ba. Aduna sigi pot ani si ju tum thararoy. Adugo horen okoina ball bearing si season adagdi pot ani khak axial rotation to matam da ko koi gi gari da khangdi koi gi car da khangdi axial rotation to matam da kai to ge haba matam da ira line ungani adugi bearing season amina vibration jo handa leb. Adun si pura mechanical engineering the yam season aba adumba principle ne ba ko ball bearing se aduna ball bearing sinaragadi asa axial rotation si kai to ba irai line thole aduna kai to re vibration handare habani yan tai ko aduna answer se both 1 and 2 option C ogani ba yari ko Question number 68 tong yang sin. If the mass of a body is half and its speed is double, what happens to its kinetic energy of the body? Question number 68 tong. Physics की question से engineering को बहुत खर याव का निको अतो just मागी physical वो principle तो दम खंबियो याम कुप न खंग रखो सुको question number 68 सी mass of a body is half and speed is double kinetic energy तो क्या होगी तो कि हम ने बा suppose से हम बगी body सी m है रसीबो मागी kinetic energy मन ले तो निको k1 है रसीबो half m v square ने अदोगी अनि सुबगिसना मागी वेलोसिटी सी v नि को से सतुसे अनि सुबगिसना mass is half mass to half ओइरबो अदोगा वेलोसिटी सिना double ओइरबो 2 times of v ओइरबो तेको हाबदी मागी अनुव mass m prime लोगे सिना v prime लोगे where m prime सिना to half of the original mass. The v prime is 2 times of v. Natra. Ado tadi kinetic energy expression do kumai EVI half m prime v prime square sumai EVI. This is equal to half m by 2 twice v the whole square. Ado tadi kumai ni cancel to kuni 4 अमल ले रहे सिगी 4 अमल ले रहे v square नटा 4 cancel is equal to mv square बजी k1 के k2 को compare तो से बस सी k2 नहीं बस नटा तो इधर k2 by k1 से पुथो के है दादी mv square by half mv square ने ये लो half mv square is equal to 2 by 1 never. Therefore, K2 is equal to 2 times of K1 never. See, how no? K2 is equal to 2 times of K1. Has kinetic energy say double times angle high not draw. Maru not a bro. Ta bro. See, kinetic energy say kaito high no double or high renewably. सिगी रिलेशनशिप खंगोबा अदुना मागे आंसर से कई तारे मागे आंसर से कई तारे के ई तारेबो यारे को आगे एक्सप्लेनेशन पी बदसु नोट तसु तुम लोय यावबनी सी
Yes, sir.
tell me okay so let's continue to the question number 69. Question number 69 is see answer paging the discuss if a body is taken from the earth to the moon, its mass will be different but weight will remain the same. Both mass and the weight will be different. Option C, the mass will remain the same but weight will be different. D, the both mass and the weight will remain the same. When the Kanga Babu says explanation C, mass of a body is it a constant quantity or not? Mass of a body is a constant quantity or not, bro? Tell me. Mass of a body is a constant quantity, not bro? Is a constant quantity. Very cool. You know, see the art lady, this is art and this is moon. What do you mean by definition of moon? Weight. Weight means mass into acceleration due to gravity neighbor. Acceleration due to gravity. Have the m into g neighbor. Moon the mukai or kani w prime hai give same mass into g of moon neighbor. Sina g of art hierarchy. Mass into acceleration due to gravity na p ba. Adumu kay tawi since g of art sina mundagi sawbani na kay tawre. Weight of the body at the arch na weight of the body at the mundu dagi sawum to e haba. Ado nangi statements that the mass will remain constant, well weight will be different aina khunggodabani ba. Mass will remain the same but weight will be different. 69 option C. Because of this. Understand the word of the bro? Hello all. Was that how understand the word of the bro?
Sir.
Okay, good. Irai lai banida. Number 70 da. Number 70 si akoy yeng si ko. Consider the following statement. Hydrometer is used to measure the density or relative density of liquid. Si chumay ko. Hydrometer say density on aba khulai ni ba. Hydro id water habani ko, meter habani ba. Hydro means water ko, meter id khulai du ni ba. Mase akoy na density or relative density on the decision ay ba. Relative density. Relative density edi kay no? What do you mean by relative density? According standard density say water ki density is standard on loy ko. Density of a substance with respect to kana density of water do. See relative density ko. Water ki density sina standard on low. So any density compared with the density of water is called relative density. And a density on ba or relative density on ba akoy sige khulai je sinayi. Yai ko amma ekta puthok ko yai habani da ozana habadi. Lactometer. Lactometer se. Lactometer se na kai on bada nasagi ising ki density se O level. Ising kam yawai che on ba yai ba. For example, sangom se milk se. Milk se pure haibong impure haibong lakaduni. What do you mean by pure milk and impure milk? Ongta hairu udana. Sangom aseng madadi ising yam yawgodro yawroidro. Yawroi. Impure dadi ising yam yawgodro yawroidra.
Yawguni.
Adu tadi huren ising ki density wala ko matamda sida lay ising ki density dune hengada sida lay dune hengadro.
Impure.
Adu ne ba. Ano huren lactometer sina sangom dugi ising ki density du chang yam na wang na yaw pa thenara gadi sangom do impure oil harak to ne ba. Ising ki density do less oil that is sangom to pure oil harak to ne ba. Ano lactometer is a device used to test the quality of milk. Tasingodi lactometer have khulai se koi ki sangom yomham da sangom sungbam da milk ki quality test tong na season abu khulai ni ba. Yar ko rheometer. Rheometer se koi na viscosimeter har su dum ye ko viscosimeter ina viscosity on ba khulai ni. Yar ko ana viscosity liquid khudimaki viscosity le ko. What do you mean by viscosity? Viscosity di khangabo liquid to kem nangi habani ba adom kem nangi haina hangbadi yaru on ma masangi ba ko. It is a resistance in the flow of liquid habani ba. in the flow of liquid aba liquid sina flow to matamda anything which flows ko moi liquid or fluid high physics ta ko liquid se koi fluid su high ko for example nang ising ama pirake in liquid state ta honey ama pirake ani se flow se kanana heni when you pour a glass of water when you pour a glass of honey water aduna takpadi viscosity less oibudo aduduna hena flow ngamgani viscosity wangbudo aduna flow yamna ngamoiba aduna di mangonda viscous force kyamna flow duda opposition kyam utpa ngamge habase viscosity sina taeba aduna adumbo ona naba khulai ni ba rheometer se taiko akoina viscosimeter su kaweba dum adureki sidin noi class 8 9 dosu thengnaramani what do you mean by barometer barometer de kaino
pressure on
na baneba wanga ge air gi pressure se kai tawrei as we go up and up kai tawke
less
adune pressure become less or amna kai tawre akoi gi body pressure du na helaktana akoi ching awang baka bakanda kaino tawrei do akoi gi bleeding tawrei ba naton dagi bleeding tawrei ba khole ba mem do external pressure nemtharakwa body manungi pressure wangkhalakwa adu duna ne ba ko aduna awang ba pangkha da ka ba yadi ba yan tai ko adu certain extent akoi gi mechanism si adaptable oi ko say some 2 to 3 kilometer irai line akoi hingba ngame ba adu beyond yam na wangi da di ching do kai tore akoi survival da work ni ba kaino pressure yam na less oi ba aduga pressure gi matang da I kitang taang ge station oi de ko suppose si art ni dana si art ni si atmosphere ki air ni ba natra se lai de se na plane ki area ma lai de ri smaina sing ma lai de natra si ching ni ba se mi ma lepe ba se lai ba ku ki si level la lai ba si ka comment to se nuksit ki column je ei nuksit atani dana air na atani dana sa nuksit na mangonda namtharuk tu ba pressure se magi mathakta leiba nuksit ki column du depend taweba yan tai ko sigi person da namthari ba air ki column se sigi da leiba person se gi mathakta leiba air ki column se depend taweba so the column height kan yam chawre ko sena kai tawre column height si neme and air ki column se kana na sawi left side na saw draw adu pressure se kana na p h density into g na p atuna takodi pressure se directly proportional to height abani ba height wangai pressure sound ni ba aduna ne ba koina ching awang ta kakhaladi h se pixel e ba that's why h prime is less than h or h is greater than h prime height se usana na height nemsal amna na si column height nemsal amna kai tawre pressure when decrease tawr ani understand tawra sibo tawi ko aduna any air column amana pressure kyam exert tawke tagi adi sigi formula se palo ba rho sina density of the air ne ba density desu depend toy ba ko ado density su constant oina lower si g su constant ni part ki di ana height to depend tori gyan tai ko aduna koi plane dadi pressure kyam decrease toge to kan plane se kayam ba height ta pai ge na khang ba yai ba aeroplane desu fighter plane desu barometer yawe ba aduna 70 gi si kai tare what should be the correct answer all the above tagada taroidro tarani ko Question number 71. Sonar. The sonar se kya hai no? Anybody? Sonar ki full form kya no? $71 not wrong. What is the full form of sonar? Sound navigation and ranging happening ni. Sound navigation and ranging happening. Masa kay to the season eh. Sige device eh. Masa device amane ba? Yan tay ko. Masa sound yung wave thado pa ngamba device amane ba? To detect enemy ships, enemy submarines, missiles, objects underwater happening. Ising manungda. Aduna ising manungda energy manghanda na thaba ya wave se sound wave ni ba. Aduna uses ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic waves thadu ko ngami. Ultrasonic waves thadoga receive tawba. Aduga laiba body do kyam kanna lai kyam nakna legi have the man hot ka duni ba. Aduna ultrasonic waves kan frequency magi frequency si it should be greater than 20,000 hertz. 20,000 hertz we get them new. Yan tay ko. 20,000 hertz we get them new. Tay ko. Yari ko. Aduna 71 ki option se kay tare. What will be the correct answer? A. $72. Cryogenics. Cryo ki meaning di kayo low temperature habani ko. Aduna cryogenics side di kayo study of a substance ko branch of physics ni masu at very low temperature habani ko. At very low temperature. Ado physics ta kay kawi cryogenics kawi. Masi akoy na kay da season na kayam tam the application si we built cryogenic engines kind of. Engines which are working at very low temperature da thamaga engine khara work tawe ba koina adu cryogenic engine ko ba. And most of the cryogenic engines are utilized in rocket. Koi no rocket the season nahi ba. Sitara bata dirbo. Tare ko. Aduna India gi na GSLV Mark III. Makoi chik cryogenic engine season aba rocket ni ba. GSLV Mark III have a rocket sa India ge cryogenic engine India na sajaba. Mark I di Russia dagi sai, Mark II di India na sare. Mark III di India na sare. Adu kitang advance oi bi wani ba. Aduna masi season rakpoduna India na thagat pangambagi satellite ki payload cha masi season raga satellite ki payload si satellite kyamuk lumba thagat pangam gam up to 4000 kg muk lumba satellite thagat pangam me India se Mark 2 dadi akoi 2000 kg muk tang lumba thagat pangam me ba hojik GSLV Mark 3 tholakpadagi di ko yamna advanced oiba cryogenic engine ni adu season abadagi di India can put satellite of weight 4000 kg or 4 tons 4000 kg muki chang da satellite thagat pangam me India se hojik because of this engine. What are the fuels carried in cryogenic engine? Very low temperature da thamija kaino akoina says liquid fuel ama season eba liquid hydrogen season eba which needs to be kept at very low temperature. Liquid hydrogen burn down na ba koi kayong changi oxygen changoi draw changani sino oxidizer oine sineba atuna sigi engine sigi part amu oina ko fuel carry tongna ba jaga yawra kadunina all these things we need to keep at very low temperature. Ado huren rocket na kakhot pa matam da sagalak pa matam da masi low temperature da thamuk da dagdi si hydrogen puriba kaino ma pokhai rak pa yai it will blast. So all these things we need to keep at very low temperature. Aduna rocket thagat na masi low temperature da thambay se yamna critical oiba yamna complex oiba task ne rocket engine da adu sigi capability si India da hujik leire yantai ko aduni magi kanabasi aduna 72 se magi correct answer si D ni. Any question no hangning ba kai lege any doubt? Hello. There you go. Question number 73. In cold countries, cold countries, alcohol is prepared to mercury as a thermometric liquid because cold country that the temperature jam even ice pok even water pok the ice all level 0 degree da. Yantai ko ado hayeng -10 -15 yo gita gadi gari de our radiator de our ising bhau ice already gari kumai thau dui no radiator kumai ingan ga dui no bo adugi nangna temperature on na khulai mercury season ne do mercury bokta thamjin grani ba solid all ani ba aduna akoina thermometer ki liquid se thermometer have a khulai sidi temperature on na khulai ne koi loi khange ko to measure temperature ne je koi loi khange ba to measure temperature magi principle za karino. What is the principle used in thermometer? Number 1 the thermometer se kai principle the work to we know thermometer the mercury sin na be ising seasoner su alcohol sin na su ba ado magi basic principle the thermal expansion of material ne thermal expansion of materials to ne aduna heat khara phangboda nasagi mercury su expand to we water su expand to we ba ado very low temperature da di adugi expansion du ngamoi ba sidi sagala kan expand to gone ba ado very low temperature da okhoi ke to we temperature on gi higher ta di ising su mercury su yar oi ba aduna alcohol is preferred to gone ba ising da alcohol mix to ba natraga alcohol nakta kai ginom tam da alcohol gi di has lower freezing points. Magi freezing points here minus lom the layeba ado nang sa 0 degree de haidaraga on bata kaim to bera laiti ba so the 0 degree da kachu ice oloib ana because of this advantage of being lower freezing point alcohol can be used as thermometric liquid habani aduna 73 gi option says C oini 74 do optical fiber say optical fiber see magi principle hero what is the principle of optical fiber optical fiber ki principle hero optical fiber ki principle hero total internal reflection si ningjang da bro ai si kitang talak ke ko noida optical fiber haibse yamna latest oiba optics ta base over optics id light na ba physics ni ko adumba khulai kai da magi working principles na kai total internal reflection da umai to go work to go yeng se ba akoina glass se yamna thin oiba glass se smaina lawrani ba thin oiba glass se si glass medium ni ko sigi glass medium manung da leidu se sina kai ko ge haba matam da core ko web magi refractive index se sina n1 harasibo sigi core gi refractive index ne n1 ni masigi core sigi mathak ta koina layer ama ko ku pibo yamna thin oiba layer ama ku kuni ba soina sigi thin oiba layer se mathak to kupai se sigi sina refractive index kitang pi-eba n2 higher sebo masibo khoina kai kawi cladding to kaweba or cladding higher sebo simply optical fiber consists of a very thin fiber say few micrometer obi it may be 30 micrometer obi or 50 micrometer obi whatever ko nangna pathaba pamingi thin oiba pamingi koi adum semba yai ko but mostly we are using ko 20 30 50 sumaina dum sineiba ko it's just like the hair thin ko koi gi samna mu pa ba sibuk semba yai ba aduna sigi refractive index se komai to game tam da core gi refractive index se core gi refractive index na cladding gi refractive index gi hena chawi ba aduna total internal reflection thon ge haida di medium ani du refractive index khena gadam ne ba refractive index se khajitang do su khena gadam ne ba khajitang khena ba matam da kai to ge matam da huren aina light ama thajala kon dam da suppose this is incoming light si incident ne ba incident light ne ba ado si ju transparent ne ado huren sumaina phawdu cha khibi ai ba ado phawdu cha pi mo ta kai to re si light no huren magi angle of incidence critical angle da changak ko matam da huren ma si sumaina reflect to rakani ba refract to bui mo ta kai to re reflect to ani ba huren sam yai ru matam da kai to re magi angle sina critical angle da lai tar di sumaina reflect to gani ba it goes on and manung da sumaina reflect to sa gani ba and ultimately ma sumaina tholakani ba outcoming oni ba yan tai ko aduna huren incident light se akoina thajan ba matam da ko karma angle da at critical angle da thajan ba matam da critical angle da thajan ba matam da nasagi light che course da travel to chakani course da travel to chakani ana this end to this end light can be sent without losing any energy happening light se energy mahandana thabi ai at the same time machine yadar gadi akoina light se information oina thab du sine bi ba when light is sent as information we call it optical communication ebo ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯞꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 에너지 ꯃꯥꯡꯗꯅ ꯄꯣꯏꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯏꯟ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯃꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯀꯔꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯔꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯣꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯂꯤꯇꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯄꯣꯁꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯅꯦꯜ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯊꯣꯛ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯞꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯐꯥꯏꯕꯔꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯏꯟ ꯃꯣꯗꯔꯟ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯞꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯐꯥꯏꯕꯔꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜ ꯀꯩꯕ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯅꯦꯠꯋꯥꯔꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯞꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯐꯥꯏꯕꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯕꯦꯟꯋꯦꯠ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯣꯡ ꯗꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 2ꯗꯨ sensors for measuring the inside temperature of jet engines ko ana jet engine gi temperature on abagi sensor di tongali ko akoi si season na diba adagi sunlight from the roof to the other parts of the building si season nei endoscopy hai cha akoi na sagi sumba optical fiber se toroga akoi na light pina na ba ko masagi stomach manung da kai ki yaugi du yeng na ba camera nam na ba kai du daka oibe light to optical fiber dagi thajale habani ba somda porok light to somda phagdorok panina aduna except number 2 ko atai di loina season nei optical fibers ko jet engine gi di akoi tongan ba sensor season nei ba high temperature on na ba aduna option number 1 ne 3 ne 4 ne si chungani ba gyan tabro ta dabrai ne husi optical fiber ki tai sha si gyan tabro ta dabro ba
Tai sir.
okay hayang hangakpa matamdasu hanjana hana hangakpa matamdasu noi si khangadamne ba sigi basic principle je noi khangdabagi ne ba question number kya no 75 yengo akoina connection si electrical ki connection si yumda series connection haiba ma lei parallel connections haiba ma lei re koi ne nang na series ta chamning budo so na bulb mayam samba yai ba bulb mayam samba yai si series ne ba friend si ki bulb si sakre khalo ba si bulb ama sak tari ki tore series ta samatam da si bulb ani jure mai ngan do friend switch on to wono tam ani se ngala kadro
Nga loi sir.
nga loi adu dadi parallel samadi ama sakra su remaining ani du ngani ba aduna takpadi series study magi effective resistance equivalent resistance to yam wangi ba apun bazu parallel dadi equivalent resistance or ka do low oi adu magi advantage amna puren khulai si koi different khulai si samakko matamda tongan ba resistance like gadu ni na kai tawi ama sakra su si ani si ngani ba si sakra su si ngani ba and parallel connection na equivalent resistance low oil adugi yum dadi khulai mayama refrigerator electric iron washing machine sinak to ne kai toy friend series samdari ama sin ba yadabda animak yaro duni ba ana tongan ba electrical gi apparatus singja ko season number yana ba parallel sami bo and at the same time my magi resistance matung ina for example sina r1 sina r2 sina r3 hairasiba ana depending on the resistance makoi de selakadaba current to khenar kani sina i1 selakani i2 selakani sina i3 selakani ba ana different current flows for different resistors habaneba through the same potential difference whereas in series connection the same amount of current will flow in these different resistances habaneba sigi resistance ohum tonga lagasu same current selakani but different potential difference create to ni yan tai ko aduna the same current chali the different current chali aduni magi advantage sebo ana noina khangadabdi household di horen khulai makhan makhan samake hai dargadi parallel samu aduga bulb macha macha mayam samge hai dargadi nang bulb ani ohum bokti adum series sambai yai horen mayam samdadi horen bulb am chagadi thanba yaroi dineba ko aduna series na switch shape oirakadiba bulb ani ohum punjalagadi nang kam da bulb manga thale switch manga paladi expensive oirodro electrical item jam tangeba aduna bulb gumba thamdadi series punjan ba yai ba kai diba gyan tabo jana hari cha
Aye, sir.
aduna 75 se kya tare option A tare ba ko number 2 dusu lale option okay ba statement number 2 statement number 3 dusu in parallel connection current passing through its resistance is same as si lale ba and current passing through its resistance is different na khungada bani ba aduna the correct answer will be option A ni ba question number 76 isotopes isotopes adi kaino what do you mean by isotopes atoms having same atomic number zamanaba say and different mass number manadaba and different mass number manadaba adumba atoms subo koina isotopes ko uranium si una denote wi magi symbol je ko uranium ge isotopes khar lai ko magi atomic number se 92 ni ya ko aduna akoina magi nucleus se uranium ge nucleus se ko smaina represent to duni ko uza mass number sina smaina represent to wi yan tai ko aduna uranium se makhan ani lai ko u92 mass number 235 habama uranium 238 92 habama si uranium ge isotope ne ba mass number 235 oi sa sina fission thokba ngame ba fissile oi ani ji gi khena ba se 238 sina fertile oi so uranium has two isotopes 235 is fissile that can undergo fission reaction and 238 is fertile that means it cannot undergo fission reactions ado 238 by 38 je kanada budinati kanaiba we use it for converting to plutonium the convert over the kanada ego and once we convert it to plutonium it is again fissile ego fission reaction thopo the sinner pa yare ego anu anima kanaba lei haba aduna noi the question da hangisa uranium 235 to 238 ke se equal number of protons equal number of neutrons 92 proton each sabneba equal number of protons sumi aduga 92 proton each sumeba aduna option 1 and 3 to the chungganiba 2 to langaniba aduna the correct option will be option A to ni and statement number 1 to sumi statement number 3 to sumi haba understand to bro sumai ko yare ko then question number 77 question number 77 jengo nuclear की reaction से or process है सिर्फ nuclear process se kya na koina thengari si another is fission atopa mana kari no fusion natra we have two types of nuclear reaction one is nuclear fission and another is fusion fission reaction that kai tawi heavy nuclei break into smaller nuclei heavy urban nucleus kai daga fragment masa masa puthu oga energy pithoropone ba sidana fusion dana lighter nuclei like hydrogen helium je punjan naraga kitang heavy oiba nucleus ama form tobone ba so energy release toiba both the process energy release toiba ko adubo fission reaction chi koina kai toge ham tamda control toge yai ko magi atopa maming kai kawi atopa maming chain reaction su koi ka chain reaction nuclear chain reaction so this fission can be controlled and uncontrolled controlled fission reaction oiragadi akoi kai decision ai nuclear reactor so nuclear reactor is an example of controlled fission reaction nuclear reactor to is a controlled fission reaction sai chain reaction gorong thokib do tap tha han bani ba reaction thok di thon ba tap tha han ba aduga uncontrolled di kai tawi chain reaction se control to we are mana thokni momong to thol la kai tawi ma di friend energy ma'am amuk ta bithorok ne ba within few seconds ta aduna we use uncontrolled fission reactions in making atomic bomb atom bomb se seasonary se uncontrolled fission reaction ni aduna nangi statement number 1 an atom bomb is based upon the principle of nuclear fission aduma chumme hydrogen bomb is based upon the principle of nuclear fusion chumme nuclear reactor is based upon the principle of controlled nuclear fission chumme 1 2 3 animak chumme ba adu idadi answer option ke tare what is the correct answer option T tatro yarbo yatribo se understand to bro noi loina
ta tawisha
oi ko fazana gyan ta horo osana na si ta ingis da Question number 78. If a pendulum is brought inside an artificial satellite, then the time period of the clock becomes habnable. Singo pendulum. Pendulum is mind the wave. I will draw here. See pendulum nika. Pendulum da koi nunga ma yan thara cheba. This is called bob. Sigi pendulum sigi length na L never. It may be thread or anywhere. So it will oscillate. Must oscillate to go to neighbor. So the to and the fro, it can undergo to and the fro motions. Tata minus saluraga smana halakose time period amakaweba ko magi period hadi minus saluraga smana halakose one oscillation complete to use. Yantai ko aduki time dubu time period kaweba. Atuna sigi simple pendulum ki time period sa kanana pigi ham tam the expression je twice pi root over L by G ne pi. Highway artery this implies time period is inversely proportional to root over G happening. G the acceleration due to gravity. Adubu kai tauge highway matam da if this pendulum is placed in an artificial satellite matak to paraga level satellite am the thamuta ragadi G is 0 satellite. Gravity less over. Aduna astronauts will feel weightlessness due to G equal to 0. Ana G 0 salam ne kai tawre T will become infinite happening. Adi pendulum do higher way happening. G 0 saladi T will become infinite. 1 by 0 the infinity na throw. And time period to yam sang happening ba. Abi the high the book sapmanare happening ba. a simple pendulum cannot oscillate inside the artificial satellite or any space station. Yan tay ko. Aduna option B lakani ba. Operating principle of a hydraulic press. 79. Hydraulic press se kaida work tawi. Hydraulic press. Any device. Koina build tawriba device khudimaksi. It is based on certain principles of physics neighbor. So what is the principle behind the hydraulic press? Anybody? Hydraulic press nataga hydraulic lifts harisi physics ki karma principle no. Physics ki karma principle no. It is based on Pascal's law neighbor. Pascal's law name. Yan tay ko. Pascal's law iti kayo oza hierarchy. Sumana fluid am lay enclosed over. Sige fluid na mapanda pituro ko diba pressure se in every direction da. In every direction the pressure se sama na pituro ko niba. Any enclosed liquid will transmit pressure equally in all directions sabaniba. Masibu kay gawi Pascal's law ko. Or if you put an object underwater, maduda pisala kada pressure do makai khudi makya body da ising duna adu su chap ana gani bo adu ni bo Pascal's law na haisi adu na sige hydraulic ki press ko main to game tam it is looking like this masi law se chumbani na akoi sumaina container ama sarasi bo sige column ama leire. This is column A. Sigi column sina column B harasi. Yako. Adi magi area of cross section sina A1 harasi. Magi area of cross section sina A2 harasi. Where A2 is much greater than A1. So is that koi fluid kara hapasi. Fluid hapasi. Fluid hapasi. That any such a piston nama hape, weight let us put a small weight here. W1. When she pressure any such a pirapo matamda, she pressure in equal direction the transmit the winiaba. Aduga kaitore huren. So it's in a piston at one tameba, aduga weight ama tangala lesiba, yam the chow weight ama. W2 go. W2 is greater than W1 equal. Pascal's law na kay game tamda purin the namthari iba pressure duga inkhala iba pressure se the pressure at A column is equal to the pressure at B column neba. Then what do you mean by pressure? Force per unit area neba. So the force ka na napiti no W1 na cross section di kya no A1. So the weight kya no W2 cross section di A2. This implies the amount of weight which can be lifted by this much of force or weight is equal to W1 by A1 into A2. Habadi, according to piston masama, some small amount of weight piraga, we can lift up a heavy weight. Weight yamba pot am thangat pa yaiba by this system. Sige system sinaga weight khajitang na weight ayamba ma thangpa yai habani. Just like when you go to car spa or car wash sa pa matamda car thangana ba adugi gari thangana ba hydraulic machine urangani ba urabo udabro noi car thangana ba to urabo ba hydraulic system do
ure sa
adu sige principles the work to ini ba force khajitang piraga lumbro ba car do thangali ni ba nang oda car thangalo di nang ngamgodro ngamoye ba adu sige khulai jesin agad idai line thangat pa ye ba yan tai ko so hydraulic ki khulai khudi ma koi modern instruments adugi any anova gari sing the solution reba koi JCB do oiro ko mayam koi season reba hydraulic kaino system se aduna di 79 gi answer sa B tari. The correct answer of 79 is B. Question number 80 though. Insects can move on the surface of water without sinking due to surface tension of water happening. Surface tension ID kaino? What do you mean by surface tension? It is nothing but the force per unit length developed on the surface of water happening. Force per unit length developed on the surface of water happening. Sige surface tension sina water sige elastic behavior lay have zeta eb. Water has elastic behavior. Yan tay ko. Aduna ising gi surface matata. See water gi surface se ising gi surface de so in an imaginary line so in this imaginary line force is exerting in either directions neighbor. So amount of force divided by this length nang low do adu the sigi jaga se tension cam sigi line sigi akoi the tension cam like che aduna takani surface tension se takani is a physical quantity neighbor surface tension se denoted by T. Surface tension se how matam karam na lai no surface tension se matam karam na lai no yeng se ba akoi na molecular interaction se molecular attraction se makhan ani lai ba ko number 1 the cohesive force haiba ma cohesive force haiba ma number 2 the adhesive force haiba ma cohesive force ID it is a force of attraction between similar molecules abneba सब anaba molecule masen da lainaba adumba force of interaction duneba between similar molecules neba understand to ika but whereas in adhesive force it is a force of attraction between different molecules abani Yan tabro ta tabro usana ngangi siya nang na ising bucket am da ising mak ama hay hapsan ba matamda mak tagi ising du bucket idai line na tin gidro ising da idai line na tin bangam ba adu nang ising du da thau hajeladi thau ising da tin bangam bro because they are different molecules not raw aduna water molecule same molecule the labor force to the cohesive force ko ba adu when that force of attraction is between different molecules madu adhesive force ko gune ba for example see ki paper ani se napsan abu ya bro see ki paper ani se napsan abu ya bro
No.
paper ani se ya di ba adu nang you put some adhesive gum khara tai raga ai paper ani se napsan ase ba hujik lakhadi ba point si kai nam tamda this force of attraction arises between let's say adhesive to nang na season ai ba gum duga si siga napsan na ba ari somna kan da sumu gum duga si ga napsan na ba aduna si ani se napsan na ba mali ni ba aduna di different molecules lakhadi dune adhesive ko wi adu same molecule da lakhadi na cohesive force ko ba adu in the context of surface tension dari comment to ge haba matam da na sai sumaina lai ri container am da sumaina ising mayam lai ri khalo ba ising je si ising ne ba so we have molecules at the top layer water gi mathak thangba surface su molecule mayam lai re makha da su molecule mayam lai ri makada su molecules me am lay ribo ko and so on ado sigi molecules si kai ba sine chingchal le magi next neighboring molecules sinchina chingchal le chingchal la kai tawi ma makada putharak na khone ba and at the same time sigi molecules sing je mathak ta lebo molecules sing jo makoi masen chingchane ba ado kai tawi the entire molecule on the surface are pulled downward moi khoi mathak ta lebo molecules sing ji makada lebo molecules na takhat aning da na kai tawi chingthai ba sigi chingthaba sna maram moi dena kai tawi a tension develops on the surface of the water ne ba kentai ko aduna when certain forces are acting on this molecule tensions develop neba adugi neba ko surface tension ki kanaba mayam lai for example say spherical shape of water droplets is spherical shape ori kai gino due to surface tension ne yantai ko si hurin pau ko aduna surface tension ki kanaba mayam leba ado how can you reduce the surface tension ising the surface tension lai khanga ga di surface tension se comment to reduce the way age we am tang hydro anybody give one method to reduce the surface tension. Number 1 point, you can boil the water. Ising this halowa warm to holowa koi phi su bu su ising aing bu su bu nungai roi ba if you warm it then it reduces surface tension. If you put salt on the water it will also reduce the surface tension. If you add detergent and use warm water the surface tensions will be mostly removed. Surface tension am ta layer phi su bu nungai ra ni understand the we ka question number 81. What is question number 181? Which of the following is not an electromagnetic wave? Which of the following is not an electromagnetic wave? Habaneba. Sumaina kuna alpha rays, adegi beta rays, kind of quite tama idana. Chemistry da. See, there are positive charge particles neighbor. They are made up of positive charge particles and beta rays are negative charge particles sinus mind low or electrons. Electrons is negative charge particle not draw. Say electrons size. Akuna sumba ray thola e habati positive charge particles hai. Beam of positive charge particles have neighbor. Positive charge particle like protons or alpha particle helium lady. Aduna alpha ID helium gi particles to neighbor. Much positive charge ka helium particles say. Aduga beta dana electrons kuma mayam negative charge particles say. Mokodi electromagnetic wave native. Electromagnetic wave or charge they are uncharged. Modi charge pakti aduna makoi particle beam ni electromagnetic wave di electromagnetic wave HD they are chargeless uncharged neighbor modi uncharged neighbor makoi di command of form to kuno have matam da they are created by the vibrations of electric field ga magnetic field ga vibrate ga generator ko wave ni bo ai kitang explain to ngi ko the simultaneous oscillation of electric field and magnetic field when electric field ga magnetic field ga se simultaneously oscillate to ka anda kai to ke have matam da electromagnetic wave se generate to ibo ano sina z axis sina y axis sina x axis hai rasibo Yan tay ko ana electric field sina z lom da vibrate torba magnetic field sina y lom da vibrate torba electromagnetic wave se wave propagation je x axis lom da sumaina tholakani. So this is the picture of the electromagnetic wave. Aduna noini khangda babu electromagnetic ti uncharged particle neba. Makhoi another property amana they can travel in vacuum with the speed of light. That is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Yantai ko and their speed changes as the medium changes. Aduga atopa medium hongdaragadi become nataba their speed decreases neba. Adudadi nasai speed of light to oeroi heba. Sigi context ne bokoina light is an electromagnetic wave. Aduga makhoi vibration je amaga amaga perpendicularly oer bese yengor kanda light is transverse wave ne hari si. Electromagnetic wave nanya kanda neba. Light is an electromagnetic wave. Light is a transverse wave in high AC. Understand to recall? Aduna, what will be the correct answer? Cathode rays, X-rays, gamma rays, infrared rays. Cathode rays to name. Cathode rays adi kaino beta rays neba. Some have the negative charge particles, ma'am, electrons. Cathode rays are nothing but the beam of electrons. Recall. Cathode ray tadi charge particle jawa particle ma'am tholakani negative charge particle. Question number 82. Newton's law of cooling hai nam lay de. Ko Newton's law of cooling. According to Newton's law of cooling, the rate of cooling of a body is proportional to habne. Pot ama inthabagi sang se karida depend to ge habni bo. So isa in a cup ama lay you have a cup of tea. Cup of tea ama lower sebo. Say 65 degrees Celsius. Adregi magi surrounding temperature do. Surrounding sina 30 degrees Celsius oil. Another, we have a cup of tea, which is at 70 degrees Celsius, and the surrounding is at 10 degrees Celsius. Now on the sa cup ama pide nangi surrounding sina 30 degree kalen thane. Sina ningtham thada nang on the sa si 70 degrees hawam pide 10 degree oil surrounding sina. Current temperature difference though 65 minus 7 minus 30 though equal to 35. So the 70 minus 10 is equal to 60 degree. Temperature difference kanana hele. See anisi case and the temperature difference kanana sauge ba 16 is out draw. Aduna di Newton's law of cooling na kayam tamda temperature difference sauri do. Adu duna hen thuna ingani ba. It will cool faster. Larger the temperature difference, the cooling rate will be faster. Heat loss to uda hen fast oigani ba. Ken tai ko. Aduna ne akoina ningtham tha da cha thakpa matam da cha si lolo thanam tam yam thuna ingthari do. Because of the faster rate of cooling habani. Aduna correct option C, difference of the temperature of the body and its surrounding. C tari. Correct option C, C ni bu. Yantai ko. 83 dong laksi bu. Question number 83. A water tank appears shallow when it is viewed from top due to happening. See, sumane yang musu ay ko. Sinang ising niya ba si? Si isang nga malay di ba? nga ma lay ri ba sigi nga si mathak tagi yang kono pa man adi kamai to uba yai si observer du ne ba si observer sina si nga si yang ko matam dadi sigi levels dagi magi luri ba sang se magi depth se h hai lagi asing badi magi h ne ba ado observers ni yengo matam dadi nga si swai da lay yin lo we ba habadi floor si yang dadi floor si thengal le habani ba sina apparent ko iko d sina apparent depth ko apparent depth h na real depth ni gantai ko taseng badi it is because of refraction ni ko kai gino hawa matam da sagi selai do air gi refractive index to ga sagi water gi refractive index to ga khene yo ente ko because of the difference in refractive index number 1 da refractive index kai to ba air ga water ga ne ba ana sati huren kai to ko do na light che air da gi water da air sina kai no rarer medium ni water na kai no denser medium ni yan tai ko aduna kai to ge haba matam da huren air da gi rare da gi dense medium da kai no to ko matam da koi light che kai to wi hai light ki beam che sumaina rarer medium am lai de dense medium am lai ri bu ai si hana tak ke banoi da refraction je komai to no when a ray comes from rare medium to dense medium it will not move like this so when a straight line is akhiruba light bends towards the normal si normal ko we yantai ko normal ko we manas dagina sibok chat ke the distance and asai dagina sibok la ka the distance to sangi ba time do aduga kai to wa same time interval to namana sakad distance tension li e yantai ko aduna huren amuk halako matam dadi kai tore sagi travel to ko matam dadi same time the mana cover to distance ko huren tholako matam da cover to distance at the same time adu manabam to e manaba da ka oibo kai ginam tam da velocity of the light in air is different in the velocity of light in the water medium light ki velocity je khena bam na koina same time interval lo cover to distance to manada ba maram na kai to wi sigi condition je thu ini understand to ka aduna si ani je khena badagi akoi refractive index of the medium se puthok ko yai ba magi ratio se apparent depth ka real depth ki ratio je khanga ga nasagi water ki refractive index se akoi puthok ko yai water ki refractive index ne wangda gadi or sigi medium ji refractive index wangda gadi sigi height je or sigi apparent depth se kitwi hen ten ba sui ba or it will be shifted more to the upward direction refractive index hen ba matung ina yantai ko but this is nothing but due to the shortening of the path when light travels from one medium to another medium ne yare ko aduna magi physics ka mari le ne ba phenomenon ne ba mana hangi sti ado sida physics ka mari le ne ba phenomenon di refraction ne the related phenomenon in this case is refraction of light happening understand to ika question number 84 though. By inserting a soft iron piece to solenoid, the strength of the magnetic field increase. See the first increase, then decrease. D the remains unchanged. No solenoid khangwa natro? Solenoid. Similarly, adagi core yawam lady. Sina core yawam lady. sina core yaw ma sina iron gi core ne core yaw da buka core yaw buka se kai khena gam tam da horen se je current thousand ma tam da se pass out ba magnetic field line masing do less dense wave. When we put a core inside the solenoid, the magnetic field pass inside the solenoid will be uniform and more denser. Yamna dense wave. Other kaitawi. Sigma panda like the magnetic field ma'am do. Manung the loina chingchela ani number na. Aduna sagi solenoid manung the pass of the magnetic field do. Hen dense ocean wave. Have the magnetic energy se hen store to we yai habani core hapsal lagadi. Aduna by inserting a soft iron piece to solenoid, the strength of the magnetic field increases. High gadabani. Magnetic field kan khalak pai magnetic field line je amaga am nakshan rakanda magnetic field intensity je kalle hai duni ba. Ani sigi field line je am thapna na leiragadi kandi hai duni. Yan tai ko. Question number 85. Which one among the following does not wet the walls of the glass vessel in which it is kept? Water ka glass ka dadi kai tawi mercury ka glass ka da system che glass ki tube am de ising hapchal la seba glass to solve level because angle of contact to acute wave sikai kawi angle of contact. When the angle of contact is acute, water will wet the glass happening. In mercury glass today, it doesn't wet the glass surface because the angle of contact se kai toge obtuse. Angle of contact so mercury na wet to bangam drineba. In this case, angle of contact is very small. That's why water wets the glass surface. Sabani. Sige tuan bo topic lay bini ko. Angle of contact ke. Question number 86. The property of electric current which is applicable in the fuse wire is chemical effect of current, magnetic effect of current, heating effect of current, optical property of current. 86 kayen khomongge. Anybody? Ganta bro? What is that property of electric current which is applicable in the fuse wire? Fuse say kay no. Alloy na tro. Magi mathaw se kay no. Melting point wang ba ko high melting point like gada bane ba low di ya roi ba ko friend wires is the resistance level wire the fuse wire ne ba ko fuse ki wire ni resistance is sorry mangon da friend current chele current chele po matam da wire se ki puthuk to bi hit si I square RT sina pire atra ado current current se chawna chenchele khalo ba current current de hena chanchela po matam da amount of heat puthok ko duna sagi material se kai to ba 사갈락거도이니보 material 자 사갈락가 그이토래 material도 tatkado이니보 fuse wire도 tatka도이니보 aduna my melting point jam low oibisu yade yamna high oibisu yadebako adubu kaitoba horen magi sagalakoi matungina kaino tawi resistance na kaino pithorok hit se sisina wire ja melt torka talhan gaduini yantai ko aduna load yam helakpa di current yam chinga aba matam da kaitowi fuse ki wires yam sagalakani because of the magi high resistance yantai ko fuse wire ki resistance na maro bodina my melting point ji yorokan da kaitowi fuse wire ja tatkani yantai ko aduna heating effect of the current season yi yantai ko kai ginom tam da melting point yam niamagadi puring kitang sagalakpada fuse bat tatkani ba aduna fuse nakletena sakani ba fuse nakletena sakpasu yadi ba yantai ko aduna heating effect of current season yi ba option number C do option number C do question number 87 do a person is unable to read a newspaper without his glass. He is most probably suffering from glass jawdana pabang amdre hargadi eye defect to noi khangedana eye defect to eye defect da kai kaino measure oina leicha myopia haibama another is hypermetropia haibama myopia ga hypermetropia ga se kaidano khenarija sana anakpo uba can see nearby object arapadi ubangam daba anakpadi ubangam ba adu tadi nang arapu unana ba glass hapani ba ano hapa matam da spec hapa matam da hypermetropia sina mo kaitoba can see far off objects arapada leiba potudi adum uba ko aduga anakpada leiba udaba hypermetropia dana sina muk tongan ba lens ama sizinani ba yantai ko ana ani se manadi ba amana arap anakpa phajana uni amana arapa phajana uni ba ana arapa phajana urabne anakpadi uroidana adu nakna khabar paba matam dadi newspaper paba ngaptan dadi ma uroroi ba aduna takpadi na sagi person se hypermetropia nari habani yantai ko aduna most of the time da koina myopia gumba nearby object yengaga arapa object ubangam dabsi we use concave lenses natra sedi koi concave lens season aduga hypermetropia gumbadana koi convex lens sinadro sinai ko amai to lens hapaga correction to bu yaiba yantai ko because our human eye is also a lens magi lens ki keno se capacity je kitang soirakpadagi sigi keno se defection la iniba adu mapan da external koi ju osa ju sinai je external lens ama thamaga sigi correction je to bu yaiba so that animakta kaino to di je kaino images should be formed on the right place and image kind of form to we retina the form to we retina mapa sabsana form to hange tadi kai to dare yada ba mit ki lens to mapan da external lens hapaga exact position da retina da image of form to hon bai wane understand to we ko aduna sigi correct answer d ni that's all ne kai kai hangning bu lagi any doubt tabro
Tai sir.
ado noi kai hangning ba lagi ba si satisfied orabo ngasi ki discussion se
Yare sir.
okay so next time do well ko khang da ba khota ba any le jo hango yamna physics ki principle lo khango ba physics pa ne na pangpa da pa gono magi deep principles to di loina khango ba aduni ozana noi da haigada babo so okay so thank you and thanks for your cooperation ko today oza thamai
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir. Thank you, sir.